Welcome. Thank you for joining this demo of my fund accounting and reporting model, a comprehensive Excel-based tool designed to simulate private equity fund operations. This project reflects my expertise in fund accounting, financial modeling, and compensation structuring. The Year 1 model is built from scratch to replicate a hypothetical closed-end private equity fund with a $15 million capital commitment structured across 4 investments. A full acquisition of a laundromat, 100% cash buyout including purchase price and acquisition cost. Minority stake in AI tech business, 15% equity investment via cash. Structured investment in e-commerce company, 40% loan and 60% equity financing. Apartment complex loan, $3 million loan at 15% interest and 5-year maturity. Core features, summary dashboard. A centralized overview tab consolidates all fund data, including capital commitment, investment allocations, cash balances, and performance KPIs such as ROI, IRR, designed for quick executive review and stakeholder reporting. Budget and cash flow forecasting. Project monthly cash flow, incorporating capital activities, operating income expenses, fees, and loan amortization schedules. Full accounting integration. Books journal entries for capital costs, investment, operating expenses, income, realizations, and unrealized gain and losses. Generates monthly trial balances, financial statement, including balance sheet, income statement, and cash flows, and changes in partners' capital. Pre- and post-exit analysis tracks investment dispositions and update valuations dynamically. Investor reporting automates investor allocations and generate dynamic statement. Bank reconciliations ensures cash balances align with transaction activities. Performance tracking calculate KPIs such as ROI and IRRs. Compensation structures, non-models built. 3 deal-by-deal American waterfall model. First one, no catch-up, 80-20 split. Second one, 20% catch-up followed by 80-20 split. Third one, 20% catch-up post principal and preferred return, then 80-20 split. A whole fund or European waterfall model. A hybrid model. 4 performance fee structure examples. First, hurdle rate with no high watermark. Second, hard hurdle with high watermark. Third, soft hurdle with a high watermark. And fourth, soft hurdle with a high watermark on a per share basis. This model integrates fund accounting rigor with performance analytics, demonstrating my ability to translate complex financial operations into actionable insight. I welcome your feedback or questions on the model structure, assumptions, or practical applications. Thank you for your time.